Hi, I'm Kyle. I'm going to compare the King Arms typewriter Thompson and the a.e.g PPSH. I have an 8.4 in this. Easy to wind, but for a drum it holds less than the military. So, I don't have a problem. It's got a high rate of fire. You just open this up, put the BBs in. And overall, looks good. Plastic stock. Pretty cool. This is the a.e.g PPSH. I have a real PPSH sling on it. Now, this also does have a plastic body, but the drum holds 2,000 and the winding's kind of hard because under the drum. Bad flash hider, but high rate of fire. I have an 8.4 in this. I opened a 9.6, just haven't gotten to it yet. It's pretty good. Thompson's pretty heavy. Heavier than this. Okay, that's it.